find tonight.
Hey everybody, so if you want to make your desktop look cool, I'm going to show you something that what I just did on my desktop. So I have some couple website that I have on top. I'll put a link on the description. So on this website, download the 4.3 final release R3298, okay? And then over here on this website, download over here this website, download over here, and this website, download over here, and this website, download over here. And then the Daft Punk, what you do is click, right click, and save the picture, okay? You save the picture. And then once you download all of this, okay, you have, where is that file? You have all of it over here, okay, already. Okay, so what you do is install all of it. Okay, so I already have installed, by the way. So once you install all of it, okay, you go on the bottom, and then you see like a raindrop, okay? Right click, go to skins, Daft music speakers, make it large, okay, for the left, okay, do it again, skins, Daft music speakers, large to the right, okay, and then if you want to put a small one, oops, right click, skins, tab, speaker, small, left, okay, and then to the right, same thing, there you go. Now you have the biggest speaker and the smallest speaker. Now I'm gonna show you something cool as well. Go over here, add our Kansas Aqua. Okay, you click on this, and then over here, I think you click on this one too. Okay, go to the folder. Let me install it again. There you go. This is what I was looking for. It's already installed. There you go. That's what I was looking for too. And one more. Okay. Now, this one you could change it. Okay, so skins. Where is it? Oh yeah. Okay, so you go over here. So you can have two. You can have this skin. You can have this skin. Or you can have this skin. I like this one. Okay. So once that's installed, I'm going to show you something. Go to my music, play some music, okay. Now do you see this? the music down so you could hear me talk. Music. And then you want to right click. When you right click, you see this option, okay? Turn this off, and then you can pick whatever you want. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this, change the color, make it like red. I can make that bigger. So settings. Give me another option. Okay, audio. Not too bad. Okay, so if you want to change the size, you make the music louder. Okay. Okay, so I like the color red, which I'm gonna put, and then for the blur, okay, you always put no. For the large info display, okay, don't touch this. And then if you want to hide the line, press no. Okay, now we go to the line back here. And then over here, change it to Windows Media Player. So yeah, this one looks like. Okay, you put the music louder. You put the speaker. There you go. It stopped. When you turn it off, it stops. So if you like this video, I'm gonna do more. Okay, so for 20 likes, I'm gonna do more and show you cool features as well. What else you could do on your desktop.
Models popping bottles.